assistant professor. Welcome back to English by Pooja Singh. Today I'm going to give you a quick bookshelf tour where I teach, where I learn, where I grow. So this is, one of the most requested video, that what are all your books, what all you read. If you can see, it is also there, and if you can see, it is also there. So I have like four shelf for the books. So yes, I'm going to give you a quick tour, and this is requested by Mukhopadhyay. So yes, this is for you, Aragyay Mukhopadhyay. So this is for you. I am going to give you a quick bookshelf tour. So if you are a true book lover, or if you're preparing for UGC NET, this is going to be a great video for you. So let's get started. So we'll be starting from the top shelf. So from left to right, I'll be first showing you this. This is the Flamingo. This is of class 12 course book. This is History of Literature, perfect for UGC NET aspirants. Then this one is like I have seen a lot of flooded quotes on Instagram, so mangwa nahi tha. Then this is like Norman Lowish, Word Power Made Easy. जब free time रहता है I read this. Then this is the perfect spiritual favorite. Everyone should read it once. जब आपको self doubt हो ना, then you should go for it. कि how universe conspires when you want something. So yeah, this is all about this. Then this is a Spectrum, a brief history of modern India. This is important for the competitive examination like UPSC or the state PCS. And this is Ikigai. This is again a very good book, how Ikigai works. And this Osho, the Book of Women, it has been gifted by my friend. And then more puzzles, it is by Shakuntala Devi. And this is the Sri Bhagavad Gita. And again, this is a library, I mean, this is a dictionary again. Okay, so this is what it looks like. यहाँ पे जो side में रखा है, it's all about the English literature. Okay, I hope it is visible. Then let's move here. Again, you will be seeing a lot of economics one. So yeah, these four books are mine. Physics, yes, once I also read the physics, yeah, in the class 12 I got PCM, so yes, I read it. Then again, you will be seeing this KVS Madan ka book. Then this is for paper 1 ka book. This is for glossary of literary terms, M.H. Abrams. Then this is for the economics, and you can see a white Buddha. This is for the peace, some candles and the cute red rose for a peaceful environment. Yes, so yeah, I like it. So yeah, it is again gifted by my friend. So this is you can see economics thing, then UGC NET economics. Why economics? Because my husband has cleared NET in economics, and that too when he was already serving in a government job. So yeah, it was it was a very proud moment for me. Although he was working in a government job, still he managed the time and he got the UGC NET cleared. So yeah, this is all about the bookshelf one, and in some other video I'll be talking about all the bookshelf, the one which is here. This is also the notes, and again this is here, all the notes are there, all the books are there. So yes, we'll be dealing with all that. So yeah, this is the book, this is the shelf, and this is again the book. Again, these are the copies in the competitive examinations. So yes, we will be dealing with all it. So as of now, this is the one. And yes, this one I would like to show you, a handbook of literature. This my professor told me to buy it. So, but yeah, I read it, but I did not find any very amusing. So yeah, this is it for today's video. So I hope I have finally given you a book tour that you wanted me to give. So yes, I think that yes, this is a little temple of mine, that when I feel bored, when I feel like I'm feeling very low, so yes, I go to these books, I read it, and these are like my favorites. Which too, let me know in the comment section which are your favorites and how you connect with it, and which you have already read it and which you are currently reading it. So yes, do let me know in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more such content. And yes, I hope I did not take your much time. So yes, bye bye, take care.